Okay, so today I'm going to be getting forged on the Lockwood 680, the Haymaker and the Riveter. From the Lockwood, I need to get 25 one-shot kills as well as ADS in. For the Haymaker, I need to get 3 hipfire kills with 1 mag 15 times. And for the Riveter, I need to get 25 multi-kills. Okay, so let's get into the game and get these 3 guns done. Okay, that should be 1. Okay, that should be 1. Should be 2. Should be 3. Should be 4. Okay, that's 1. Ah, what the? Okay, that should be 2 more. That's another. Okay, that should be another 1. That's another. Okay, that's another. I need 1 more, I think. Okay, it should be done. Is it done? Yes, okay. First one down. Oh my god. Why just you hit by the shotguns? It's the worst thing to do. Okay, I think that's 1. I was being choppers. This is hard enough as it is without being shot from above. How are they not hitting? Oh my god. Great. Teammate killed me. Why did you have to get hit fire with a shotgun? Stupid challenge. Yeah, that's another 1. Nope, that'll not count. Right, it didn't even count. I can't be arsed. Okay, that's gotta be another 1. That's definitely 1. What? Are they just not counting? This is getting a bit better. Oh, for God's sake.
Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Be in the area. Friendly UAV online. Compromised. Secure the area. Hostile SA.
Got my teammate. Another one.
Clock's ticking. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Hardpoint relocated. Stand by.
Will this be over? Yeah, this one's got to be done.
UAV active.
Yes, okay. That one's done. Okay, well that's one.
Stand by.
It better be one.
Hardpoint compromised.
A crime it's not. Yeah, it should be another.
Friendly UAV online.
Oh, please be one.
Enemy fighter here. UAV ready to deploy.
It's ridiculous. Okay.
Friendly mosquito deployed.
That's another. What?
Compromised. Secure the area.
Well, yes, okay. Should be another. Yep.
Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. UAV ready to
Oh,
deploy.
got double kill.
Enemies inside the friendly UAV online. Hostile mosquito is online.
Okay, that's another.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemies inside the perimeter.
Okay, that should be another. Yep. Oh god, stop kill myself.
Stand by. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area. Friendly UAV online.
Is that another?
Hardpoint
No.
relocated.
What?
Secure the
What?
area.
Was that not enough? I got 3 kills.
Enemies inside the perimeter. Hardpoint comp. Hostiles deployed a mosquito.
Okay, that's got to be another.
Friendly mosquito active. Mission.
That's got to be another.
30 seconds left. Hardpoint compromised. Secure the area.
Okay, that should be another one.
Confirm that one.
Okay, is that another? Yes, okay, I need 2 more.
Confirmed.
Is that another? Yes.
UAV standing by. Kill. Knock. Kill confirmed. Nice one.
Ah, that done? Please be done.
Tag secure. Kill confirmed.
Please be done. Yes! Oh, it's done. Thank the Lord. Okay, I've unlocked Forged on the Lockwood 680. This is my first shotgun and my 26 gun in total. So nice. Okay, I've also unlocked Forged on the Haymaker. This is my second shotgun and my 27th gun in total. And this was probably worst gun I've ever done. I absolutely hated this. I'm very glad it's done. Okay, I've also unlocked Forged on the Riveter. This is my third shotgun and my 28th gun in total. It's very nice.